First girl ran away in the night.
To me 'twas an awful disgrace.
She married a man on a flying trapeze.
I hope he falls flat on his face. Once I was happy, but now I'm forlorn, like an old coat that is tattered and torn. I'm left in this wide world to weep and to mourn, betrayed by a maid in her teens. This girl that I loved, she was winsome. I tried all I knew her to please, but apparently I couldn't please her as well as the man on the flying trapeze. He floats through the air with the greatest of ease, the daring young man on the flying trapeze. His movements are graceful, all the girls he does please, and my love he has stolen away.
The rounder, the bounder, he found her.
He smiled from the bar on my love down below. Then he did somersaults 3 in a row. My love was excited and shouted bravo when he winked at her from up above. She packed up her bags and eloped in the night with him with the greatest of ease. From 2 stories high he had lowered her down to the ground on his flying trapeze. Through the air with the greatest of ease, the daring young man on the flying trapeze. His movements are graceful, all the girls he does please, and my love he has stolen away.
The rounder, the bounder, he found her.
One summer day I went out to the fair, and there on the midway I saw with despair my love turning somersaults high in the air with him who had stole her away. He'd taught her gymnastics and dressed her in tights to help him to live at his ease.
The cad!
He'd made her assume a masculine name and set her up on the trapeze. Through the air with the greatest of ease, my love and that villain up on the trapeze. That big muscled primate should swing through the trees, but my love,
but my love,
but my love,
but my love,
but my love he has stolen.